Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, May 18th. The futures markets have just closed the regular session about 4 minutes ago. I want to bring over the time and sales. The E-mini S&P trading at about 2041, 75, 42. We're currently in a live trade on the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 8 tick, and I'm going to close this position. And that's it for the day. This one did 1550. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a spectacular day in the auto trader. Once again, I want to bring over my computer clock. The time is 4:06 p.m., 6 minutes after the regular session close. It's Wednesday, May 18th. Okay, I just closed the position here on the Superenco 8 tick that did 1550 today on 2 contracts. There was a number of trades, but pretty solid performance. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Superenco 14 tick, and that hit its goal on what looks like a single long trade here on 2 contracts, and you can see it here. So the DAX has been doing very well lately with the auto trader. Okay, this is the Superenco 7 tick on the crude oil futures contract. This is a, I believe, slightly different setup. I'm going for a larger pullback, and this one hit its goal on a single trade, and there was a few ticks of slippage on the end. The goal here, 1200, so hitting its goal on a single trade. Okay, this is the crude oil futures that we've shown many times on the Superenco 7 tick, and this one is only requiring a limit order on 4 ticks pullback. And this one too hit its goal of 1200, albeit on more trades. There was extreme volatility in the markets today. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Superenco 8 tick, and this one did 1175 for the day. Just want to mention our trades are labeled, so any historical trade has an H next to it. You can see there's no H next to these trades. If I go back to a previous day, then we see H's next to the trade, which means its historical did not happen today. Okay, next up is the crude oil contract on the Precision Renko, and this too has a significant pullback. This one hit its goal of 1500 on a couple of trades here. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ, and this is the NASDAQ 30 tick Superenco chart. This had 2 trades today, a short and a long, and did 1080 for the day. The daily goal on this one is 2000, so of course it didn't hit its goal, but still a solid performance. Okay, next up is the Dow futures contract, and I believe it hit its goal of 1000. Indeed it did, with only 1 tick of slippage. This is trading 3 contracts, as the Dow is only 5 ticks, $5 per tick. So we added an extra contract here. This had 10 winners and 3 losers. So 70% winning trades on this one today, and then hitting its goal. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 4 tick. This one had 2 winning trades, as you can see here. That was it, 2 winners and 0 losers, and it I believe was shy of its goal. No, it hit its goal, but it had extreme positive slippage. Whatever announcement today was at 2 o'clock, the market sold off strong, so this ended up getting actually 8 ticks positive slippage. These little triangle dots are the BWT volume reversal indicator. So that's pretty extreme positive slippage, but it just goes to show that slippage is not always negative. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 6-tick, and this is using the line break algorithm. And this had actually 7 winners and a couple of losers here, and just shy of its goal of 750. So probably some slippage on the end. Also taking the trade right at a little bit before 2 and then dropping strongly. And then having a sharp drop here. Okay, the last winning system of today is the gold contract. And this did 500 for the day on 2 contracts. There was a number of trades, but still managed to close with a respectable performance of 490. We'll come back to our chart of the crude oil on the Super Renko 7-tick hitting its goal in a single trade. That's over 100 ticks, 50 ticks per contract. And that's it for today's video. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.